So this is pages 63 to 64, talking about masonry still. And somebody had filled in the answers in my book, so I don't know if they're even right or not, but let's take a look here. Complete the table. Assume that the concrete blocks cost, and that's important to know in the instructions, 60 cents each, and that you use 10 blocks per square yard. So that means that when we are building a, say, a rectangular wall, let's do this. We'll say that this is 5 feet and this is 2 feet, so that's 10 square feet, and they're saying it's going to take 10 blocks to fill 10 blocks per square yard. I'm sorry. Let me change this up a little bit. Erase this. I blew that, didn't I? So let's see if we can get rid of our rectangle there. All right, let's try it again. I've got a square yard. So that means this is the length of a yardstick, 1 yard by 1 yard. That gives us 1 square yard, and it takes us 10 blocks to fill that 1 square yard. Okay, so the instructions give us that information. So we've got 12 square yards. They want to know how many blocks we need. Well, if we need 10 for 1 square yard, for 12, we just multiply that 10 times 12. And then if the cost of the bricks are so that's 120. Cost of the bricks are 60 cents. I'm going to multiply 120 by 0.6 and get 72. And I do that from 1 to 8. So keep going here. Complete the table. Assume that bricks cost, in this case, we're looking at 15 cents each, 9 bricks per square foot, 2 bags of cement for 100 square feet, and cement costs 7 1/4 per bag. We're not even worried about the sand. So we're going to first of all find out how many bricks are needed. So if we have 12 square feet and we get 9 bricks per square foot, we're going to take 12 times 9, and yes, we will get 108. Cost of the bricks will be 108 times 15 cents. Number of bags of cement we need. We've got 108 bricks, and we know that we have 12 square feet. Well, 2 bags cover 100 square feet, so we're only trying to cover 12. But we have to have at least 1 bag to cover 12, even though 1 bag covers 50 square feet. We still just need 1. We'll have a lot left over because we're only doing 12 square feet, so 1 at $7.25 a bag. So that's how you do 1 to 24 there. All right, when we get to the next page, let's see if I can pull that page up. We've got this really wonky looking house because of the way my book is sitting. And we're going to use that diagram to answer the questions. What is the area of the longer side of the house? Okay, so here is the longer side of the house, right there. And if you are using your math skills, you will notice, this over here is 12 high. So this is going to be 12. It's going to be 12 by 30. So it's going to be 360 square feet. The whole house. Now we have to take away the doors and the windows. So this is 32 square feet, and this is 21 square feet. So we've got 36, and we have to subtract that, and then we have to subtract that to get the answer. Number 26 says, add 9 bricks per square foot. 9 bricks per square foot. How many bricks will be needed to face the 2 visible sides? So what they're asking us to do, find this area and this area, and we won't even worry about this. We're not going to brick that. Just this area and this area, and find out the total number of square feet. Don't forget to take off the doors and the windows. Find the total number of square feet, and then multiply that by 9 bricks per square foot, and that'll tell us how many bricks that we'll need. Number 27, 2 bags of cement per 100 square feet. How many bags of cement will be needed for the job? Okay, well, we find out our square feet. And let's just say, I'm just going to make something up. Let's just say it was 5,000 square feet. Well, we take that 5,000 divided by, it says 2 bags of cement per 100 square feet, or 1 bag per 50 square feet. So you would just take 5,000 divided by 50, and that would tell you how many bags of cement you would need there. Okay, and that's it for pages 63 to 64.